the technology is changing a lot in terms of the know-how. How are you coping with the global developments, basically, and bringing the latest techniques in this regard in terms of equipment and the knowledge for those operators of your tools?
Yeah, that's a good subject to be clarified here. Actually, DaTo has put a lot of efforts in upgrading its technical team, hosting more than 100 members inside UAE, and all the team members, especially the key players of the engineering division, they are frequently traveling in and out of UAE, picking in each and every new knowledge level, because the technology is amazingly changing from state to state, country to country. There's a lot of advancement happening in the United States, in China, in India, Vietnam, so many countries. So our boys are always traveling in and out. We are putting in, rendering so much of efforts in training our team members, and also putting on the R&D efforts on developing the tools and equipments to bring the latest technology to the UAE market, because this is the hub of all the Middle East, and it nurtures and also welcomes the latest technologies to be developed here. So DaTo is putting a lot of efforts on the tools as well as on the training programs for its staff, which can bring to the market.
Yeah. We know that the UAE is quite developed. It has been for some time, the EVs. What about other secondary markets in the Gulf, Oman, and others, and even in the entire Middle East? We are seeing EVs in Syria, right, in Lebanon, and all those, and people are bringing Teslas from here to over there. They have, but they lack services, and obviously there are no dealers there. So how are you helping those secondary markets, including Oman, let's say, or whatever?
Yes, actually, we have spread our wings. DaTo has its own network of distributors all over the Middle East and African region. In most of the Middle East countries, we are well versed with the dealership network, and the dealership team are well trained to handle the requirement of technologies with them. So our products and services are available in different countries, available directly. And in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, we are opening a direct office to be more locally available there, because we feel the EV is pushing very fast in United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and other Middle East countries also coming up with it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
DaTo EV, your trusted partner for EV tools.